OPS CIO exam paper 2 next 30 questions with answers. Paper 2 of the OPSC Assistant Industries Officer exam focuses on technical subjects related to mechanical, civil and electrical engineering. Here are 30 important questions with answers from similar Orissa government exams. Yojak Chin. Section 1 Mechanical Engineering. A. The first law of thermodynamics is based on which principle? A. Conservation of mass. B. Conservation of energy. C. Conservation of momentum. D. Conservation of entropy. Answer B. Conservation of energy. Though the unit of viscosity is A. Pascal second, B. Newton second, C. Joule second, D. Watt second. Answer A. Pascal second. Theme. The purpose of a governor in an engine is to A. Control fuel supply, B. Regulate speed, C. Reduce friction, D. Increase efficiency. Answer B. Regulate speed. Char. Which cycle is used in a steam power plant? A. Otto cycle, B. Carnot cycle, C. Rankine cycle, D. Diesel cycle. Answer C. Rankine cycle. Punch. In a refrigeration system, the refrigerant absorbs heat in A. Condenser, B. Evaporator, C. Compressor, D. Expansion valve. Answer B. Evaporator. Chair. The gear used for transmitting motion between intersecting shafts is A. Spur gear, B. Helical gear, C. Bevel gear, D. Worm gear. Answer C. Bevel gear. SAT. The hardness of a material is measured using which test? A. Cherpi test, B. Grignard test, C. Torsion test, D. Tensile test. Answer B. Grignard test. Art. In welding, the term flux is used to A. Increase the temperature, B. Remove oxides and impurities, C. Join two metals, D. Control the welding speed. Answer B. Remove oxides and impurities. No. A pump used to lift water to a higher level is called A. Centrifugal pump, B. Reciprocating pump, C. Jet pump, D. Gear pump. Answer A. Centrifugal pump. Thus, the stress-strain curve is used to determine A. Elasticity of a material, B. Temperature resistance, C. Density of a material, D. Conductivity. Answer A. Elasticity of a material. Yojak Chin. Section 2 Civil Engineering. Gyara. The workability of concrete is measured using A. Slump test, B. Tensile test, C. Impact test, D. Hardness test. Answer A. Slump test. Bara. The main ingredient of cement is A. Limestone, B. Sand, C. Clay, D. Fly ash. Answer A. Limestone. Tera. The bearing capacity of soil is improved by A. Removing water, B. Adding more soil, C. Soil compaction, D. Increasing temperature. Answer C. Soil compaction. Chauda. Which type of foundation is used for bridges? A. Raft foundation, B. Pile foundation, C. Strip foundation, D. Mud foundation. Answer B. Pile foundation. Pandra. The unit of measurement for cement is A. Kilograms, B. Metric tons, C. Bags, D. Liters. Answer C. Bags. Solar. The primary function of steel reinforcement in concrete is to A. Increase load capacity, B. Reduce weight, C. Prevent water absorption, D. Improve workability. Answer A. Increase load capacity. Satra. The point at which a structure fails under stress is called A. Ultimate load, B. Breaking point, C. Critical load, D. Failure load. Answer D. Failure load. 18. The ratio of cement, sand and aggregate in M20 concrete mix is A1 1.5 3, B1 2 ratio 4, C1 3 ratio 6, D1 4 ratio 8. Answer A1 1.5 3. 19. The term curing in concrete means A. Drying the concrete, B. Keeping concrete moist for strength gain, C. Mixing cement and water, D. Applying external load. Answer B. Keeping concrete moist for strength gain. B's. Which material is commonly used in damp-proof courses? A. Bitumen, B. Wood, C. Glass, D. Sand. Answer A. Bitumen. Yojakshin. Section 3. Electrical Engineering. 21. The unit of electrical power is A. Volt, B. Ampere, C. Watt, D. Ohm. Answer C. Watt. 22. Which law states that the total voltage around a closed circuit is zero? A. Ohm's law, B. Kirchhoff's voltage law, C. Coulomb's law, D. Faraday's law. Answer B. Kirchhoff's voltage law. 3. The function of a transformer is to A. Increase or decrease voltage, B. Convert AC to DC, C. Store electrical energy, D. Measure current. Answer A. Increase or decrease voltage. Chobbies. Which instrument is used to measure electrical resistance? A. Voltmeter, B. Ammeter, C. Ohmmeter, D. Wattmeter. Answer C. Ohmmeter. 25. The power factor of an ideal circuit is A. 0, B. 1, C. 0.5, D. Infinity. Answer B. 1. 26. What type of motor is used in ceiling fans? A. DC motor, B. Induction motor, C. Stepper motor, D. Servo motor. Answer B. Induction motor. 27. In AC circuits, the phase difference between voltage and current in a pure inductor is A. 0 degree, B. 45 degree, C. 90 degree, D. 180 degree. Answer C. 90 degree. 28. The function of a fuse in an electrical circuit is to A. Reduce power loss, B. Protect against short circuits, C. Increase voltage, D. Control frequency. Answer B. Protect against short circuits. 29. The C unit of capacitance is A. Henry, B. Farad, C. Tesla, D. Coulomb. Answer B. Farad. 30. Which type of battery is commonly used in inverters? A. Lithium ion, B. Nickel cadmium,